Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Agentic AI certification 2025. This is providing by the Ready Tensor and you can earn the wages and boost your career opportunities. So certification that employee recognized. So Agentic AI Developer Certificate, a professional credential that signals you can design, build and deploy real world Agentic AI system, and micro certification badges highlights your specialized skill in the rack system, multi-agent architecture and production deployment. So all the credentials are issued in the shareable format, make it easy to feature them in the LinkedIn, your resume or your personal site. So Agentic AI Developer Certification registration link is below. So this is the link. So future is agentic. Be ready. So accept the cookie. So Agentic AI Developer Certification Program. So enroll is free. Click here. You can sign up with your detail or you can sign up with the Google. So I have already enrolled with the certification exam. So continue the program. Click on the continue the program. So after that, click on your Agentic AI Developer Certification by Tensor Ready and complete this thing. Step by step process is there. Okay, so visit the Tensor certification hub, log in your account, and final upcoming evaluation deadline is there is a September 6 and there is a October 3 and October 4. So before October 3 you can submit, and November 7 you can submit and they will view it. So what you will learn and certificate of the completion. So this is the Tensor Ready certification, AI developer certification program, and this type of certification you will get. So continue with the learning this program and you will get this certification. So here is the highlight: certification that employee recognized. All the details are there, and wages you will get. Okay. So join is today. So this is the process. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% get Agentic AI certification 2025 from Tensor Ready Tensor, and this is the link. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.